And we want to let young people know today that you are that Joshua generation, born to be soldiers in the army of God, to free our people and take us to that promise.
When keeping it real goes wrong.
Get your hands out of my face. Straight the serious, man. Just shake my hand like a man. Give me some fine, on the backhand side, and all this crazy jab. That's bull. One soft shoe. Trying to tell me some all that, man. Funny. Keep your mouth.
No, Frieza! Don't do it!
I think the brat should go next.
You ruthless, heartless bastard!
Too real.
This is what it is, okay? I said empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless.
Reflecting a high duke and I'm dumping Kamehameha. This heaven, this pot is moving. There's nothing to break a crater. Shake equators, fresh up out the hyperbolic time chamber.
Since who been can't save you. Since who been can't save you. Niggas coming like saviors. Special being cannon, you Simon to grizzly gators. Think it's time to call some damage. They sleeping like hammies. Diamonds hut one and hut two. Touchdown, I'ma touch a few. And if he's Moby Dick and I'm pitching a harpoon, couldn't kill Majin Buu. Now I'ma swap the ooh.
Speaking of athletes, Bokanisha about a freezer. And we ain't get a breather. The prefix is like a teaser.
Queen Latifah said that all for niggas speakers. Form allegiance, we like legions, need allegiance. Work harder, work smarter, work harder, work. Keep a shirt with collar, cap a nigga, take a knee. Niggas gonna see.
But I'm invisible, man. Move like a ninja shogun. Police footage will show the pigs been killing your bro. All the soft shoes that shucking to get some dough. Stretching like Piccolo.
I thought you was preposterous. Sharpshooters was on top. You couldn't knock, couldn't park in my place. You niggas would never trace. I'm in the most holy place. We winning like Golden State. We dropping like Golden Slick is the vodka, so take a taste.
You a damsel in distress and ain't catching no lowest lane. And they panicking, they pressing, they want us to throw away.
Your political correctness, you necking to get a pay. Sent to another dimension by henchmen. This was a rebellious imprint, your ends in. Cut in the 10 different monsters, I'm Ben 10.
You just got no seat at my table.
You're talking fake with your fatal attraction, Adolf. Hit the laughing like Ridley. Fire, spit a vows. Taking a blood shower. Higher than a towel. They making us love cow. Love sour than a pickle. Whoa, you're brittle. Nuclear warhead missile. Nuclear warhead hit you. Queen Latifah said that all for niggas speakers. Form allegiance, we like legions, need allegiance. Work harder, work smarter, work harder, work. Keep a shirt with collar, cap a nigga, take a knee. Niggas gonna see.
But I'm invisible, man. Move like a ninja shogun. Police footage will show the pigs been killing your bro. All the soft shoes that shucking to get some dough. Stretching like Piccolo.
I thought you was preposterous.
Joshua. We split the gem from the men. You were terrified to fight the saying you ain't even men. We been moving and weaving and moving, starving through the den.
No training day, I got you scarfing down the pen. Denzel, it's stem cells. John Q will blow a fuse. Don't raise your hand, cause y'all excuse away from Noah's crew. No Comcast, it's on demand when niggas come for you. I'm playing to understand why niggas playing God coming through. Stanley yell nuts, you crazy fool, you's a crazy fool.
Studying my tree, I'm trying to float from overseas. They do pussy like they fucking ovaries. Don't make me flame on, I'm about to overheat. 6 trillion years to make origination. Diving from a spaceship, Freddy is mixed with Jason while babies was having babies.
We causing the condensation. Love is amazing. Cubs will be born and people will go swarming. Everybody warning. Live it up, what's up? Give it up, it's us. Irrelevant, elephant, touch. Elements in my hands, you rub.
Adolescent in the hut, new edition, add it up. We brown, nothing to turn. Making magic like Tammy Turner. Mr. Crocker stay steady watching. In the lighthouse, off the matrix with the lights out. Won't you pipe down?
Queen Latifah said that all for niggas speakers. Form allegiance, we like legions, need allegiance. Work harder, work smarter, work harder, work. Keep a shirt with collar, cap a nigga, take a knee. Niggas gonna see.
But I'm invisible, man. Move like a ninja shogun. Police footage will show the pigs been killing your bro. All the soft shoes that shucking to get some dough. Stretching like Piccolo.
I thought you was preposterous.
Suck my n-
We seem to have lost the feed.
like water.
60 years. We're tired of it. And these young brothers, 13, 14, 15, they're the killers today. They don't play with their OGs who are the old guard in the gangs. It's the young that are doing the killing. They're tired. They're fed up. So when they know what is good for them, please don't play with them, because that's the end.